Hello all, welcome to SCODEEN Global. Everything moves to a cloud. Cloud computing is a widespread buzzword. In recent years, cloud computing has been considered a more affordable and dependable alternative for business. Do you know, with the cloud, you can expand to new geographic regions and deploy globally in minutes. For example, AWS has infrastructure all over the world, so you can deploy your application in multiple physical locations with just a few clicks. Performance, security, and more and more. Do you know various types of cloud computing that provides different levels of control, flexibility, and management so that user can select the right set of services for business needs? Infrastructure as a service, IaaS, platform as a service, PaaS, software as a service, SaaS, and SCODEEN Global added one more service, AI as a service, AAS with Devops. The interesting point is, demand for cloud skills in APAC expected to triple by 2025, advice for workers looking to build skills. Do you know what salary structure for cloud computing professional in India? We create the history, 13 lakhs to 35 lakhs. Please explore our Instagram and performance report in YouTube. Please join highly intelligent and sophisticated integrated business syllabus, AWS Cloud with Devops syllabus. Thank you for watching us. Have a great day.